Hey, so if you want to track your finances properly in 2026, linking your bank account to NerdWallet is actually really useful. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so it's easy to follow. Alright, first, open your browser or app and go to the official NerdWallet website. Then sign in using your email and password. Once you're inside, you'll land on your dashboard where all your financial tools are shown. Now, look for an option like Accounts, Net Worth, or Add Accounts. This is where you connect your bank details. Next, click on Add Bank Account. You'll usually see a secure connection option like Plaid or similar service that helps link your bank safely. Now select your bank from the list or search for it manually. Then log in using your online banking credentials in the secure window. After that, you may need to verify the connection. This can be done through a code sent to your phone or email, depending on your bank. Once verified, your bank account will be successfully linked to NerdWallet. Yeah, after linking, you'll start seeing your balance, transactions, and overall financial data automatically inside your dashboard. This also helps NerdWallet calculate things like your net worth and spending insights more accurately. So yeah, linking your bank account is safe, quick, and very helpful for managing your money in one place. And if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple finance guides like this. Thanks for watching. Hey,